How to change your Apple ID country to Singapore. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Apple ID country to Singapore. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply tap on your Apple ID on the top. After you tap on it, you should see your personal information, sign in and security, and stuff like that. So what you'll need to do here is you will need to tap on your media purchases and tap on view account. Now it might take some time to load depending on your internet speed. After it loads, you can see your different options such as your manage payments, subscriptions, country and region. The one we want is the country and region settings. Tap on it and it should redirect you to your app store. Now right there, what you can do is you can actually change it to Singapore now. So after it loads, tap on change country or region and simply search for Singapore. Now all of this will be set up in alphabetical order, so it should not be hard to find Singapore. After you find it, simply tap on it and now you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on agree, and after you tap on agree, you'll have to add in a payment method. After you add in a payment method, your country or region will get changed. And that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.